Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by opening the Circle app and confirming you're signed in. This grants access to device controls. Once done, make sure your iPhone is on the same Wi-Fi network as the target device so Circle can discover it. If Circle asks for microphone or camera permission, allow it now to enable advanced search and device interactions. These prerequisites let you proceed immediately into the search interface without interruptions, so you don't waste time toggling settings. You tap the search icon in the app header and type the device name, user tag, or a relevant keyword. This narrows results quickly. Once you see results, apply filters, status, location, or time to trim matches. Filters speed up finding the exact device. If typing is slow, use the voice search option and speak the name clearly. After choosing filters, tap the result to view details and controls. This shows why the match is correct and what actions you can take next. You finish by opening the device page to run actions, view activity history, or adjust settings. Once the device is confirmed, save the search or create a shortcut for quick repeated lookups. This prevents redoing filters later. If Circle can't locate the device, first restart the app and confirm Wi-Fi connection. Next, reboot the target device and check its visibility settings. If issues persist, make sure firmware and app are updated. This resolves most discovery and search.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.